So yeah, so today, we're going to be discussing about what is DevOps. Okay, today. So we're going to be discussing about what is DevOps. So why current industries want this? Okay. So what is the importance of the DevOps for current industry? That's what exactly we're going to be discussing today. So I'm muting all of you, please. Okay. I mute all of you, please. If anything else, please start with me in middle, and end of the session we can able to. Okay. The middle is the question. Please start. So can you mute all of you? Requesting you, please. Mute all of you. Can you mute all of you, please? Fine, thank you. So, yeah, so before starting the session, let me introduce myself. Okay, so my name is Lakshmi Rao. So I have totally 11 years of experience in IT. Okay, so from the last 5 years onwards, I'm working as a senior DevOps engineer as well as AWS. Okay, this is my profile. This is my profile. So before starting the session, please, before starting the session, so I have 4 questions, guys. I want to clarify with you these 4 questions, guys, please. What are the first question, please? What is an application? Okay. And the second question is, what is the server? And third question is, what is the time to market? And fourth one is, what is SDLC? First, let us clarify these 4 questions. Then we will start DevOps. Okay. First, so what is application, please? Any idea, please? What is an application? Do you have an idea in your brain, please? Any thought about this? What is an application? Have you heard about any before, please? Nothing. So application is nothing but a website, like a Flipkart, like a Flipkart, like a Facebook, please, like any red bus. Guys, please. What is an application, guys, please? Application is nothing but a application is nothing but a website. Okay, I'll repeat, guys, please. What is an application? The working software which is written any programming language we call as an application. The working software which is written any programming language we call as an application. That application we're going to be deploying onto the servers. We're going to be deploying onto the servers. We're going to be deploying onto the servers, guys. The working software as an application we're going to be deploying onto the server. Then our internet we're going to be accessing as a website. Like this. Guys, please, what is an application? What is the server? I'll repeat, please listen one more time. What is an application? What is the server? The working software which is written any programming language we call as an application. That application we're gonna be deploying onto the servers. After deploying our application server side, we're gonna be accessing our internet as a website, like Flipkart, Facebook, Redbus. Okay, I hope you understood very clearly. Yeah. Then what about next question, please? What is time to market, please? What is time to market? time to market is nothing but what exactly? So if we can able to deliver any product within a shortest time, with the high quality, with low cost, if we can able to deliver, is nothing but a time to market, any product. But here what exactly we're going to be delivering, please? The working software as an application. We're going to be delivering the working software as an application. We're going to be delivering, please, we're going to be deliver into the production, delivering into the production as soon as possible, as shortest time, as soon as possible. We have to deliver into the production within a shortest time, with the high quality, with low cost, is nothing but a time to market. Please, I'll repeat one more time. What is the time to market? Please listen one more time. So the working software we have to deliver within a shortest time, with the high quality, with low cost into the production, is nothing but a time to market. Okay, got this point? Is or not, please? Okay, fine. And finally, what is the last point, please? What is the last question, please? What is SDLC? I think somebody knows, somebody is aware, but let me tell you one more time, please. Let us discuss. Okay, this is basic only, but let us brief. Let me brief about this. What is SDLC? SDLC is nothing but what exactly? A software development lifecycle. Software development lifecycle. In SDLC, we have several stages or phases: analysis, design, implementation, testing, deploy, and maintenance. These are all the phases combining we calling as a software development lifecycle. Okay. So by helping of the software development lifecycle, we can able to deliver working software into the production. Yes, please. Okay. We're going to be delivering software by helping of SDLC. But so, for example, for your understanding, so can you able to build this kind of website overnight? No, it is not. For example, so can you able to build a house, a apartment, whatever may be, overnight? No, it is not possible. We have several stages to build a house. Okay, same way, in several stages we have to build this kind of website. Okay, but what are the stages? These many. What are the first stage, please? For example, a red bus kind of business. For example, a travel business. We have a travel business. So travel business, for the travel business, we have to develop a website. Have you gone to develop a website? Have you gone to develop a website? Have you gone to develop a website? Directly can able to build overnight? No. First, what are the first step, please? We have to gather the information. What kind of business is? First, we have to gather the information, and on that information, so we have to analyze. Then design is nothing but a plan. Based on the plan, our developers will be implemented a software. Whether the software is in working condition or not, our testers will be verified or validated with some test cases. If it is working properly, without any bugs, without any errors, then we're going to be deploying onto the production server. After deploying our production server, whether it is working or not, so we're going to be maintaining properly. Whether it's working or not, monitoring, maintenance, we calling as an operation. Okay. So if you want to complete a fulfill, if you want to deliver this kind of websites, we have to follow. These are all the stages. Then only we can able to build a software. Is nothing but a software development lifecycle. Okay. By helping of SDLC, we can able to develop, alter, maintain, replace a software system. It's include planning, design, build, test, and deploy, which exactly we discussed right now. I hope we understood what is application, what is the server. what is the time to market, and what is SDLC. I think you clarified. Yeah. Let us start DevOps, right? Let us start DevOps. Okay. So DEV in the sense of what, please? DE in the sense of what, please? DEV in the sense of what? DEV in the sense of what? Dull. OPS in the sense of what, please? OPS in the sense of what? Operation. DEV in the sense of what? Development. OPS in the sense of what? Operation. The combination of software development plus operation we call as a DevOps. Yes, please. The combination of development plus operation we call as a DevOps. Okay. So as a DevOps engineer, so we are gonna become a DevOps engineer. We're gonna be learning for what? Become a DevOps engineer. So after become a DevOps engineer, what are all roles and responsibilities in this DevOps? Okay. Our roles and responsibilities starts from dev environment. Okay. Ends with operation. Our responsibility starts from where exactly, please? Development. Ends with what exactly? Operation. That means we are part of coding. We are part of build the code. We are part of testing the software. We are part of releasing the software and deploying the software into production. And the maintenance and monitoring we call as a operation. We call as a operations. Guys, please, I hope you understood very clearly. So our roles and responsibility starts from development, ends with operation. Very clear. So we are part of coding, building, testing, release, deploy, operation, and monitoring. Okay. But to be frankly, I'm telling you, please, we are not developers. We are not writing any single line of code. So we are not writing any single line of any test cases also. We are going to be implementing a DevOps process on SDLC. Yes, please. As a DevOps engineer, we're going to be implementing a DevOps process on SDLC. Please. What is the DevOps right now? Please tell me. Anybody help me? DevOps is a process. It's not a software. DevOps is a process which you're going to be implementing on SDLC. So what are the advantages of why we going to be implement DevOps? What are the advantages, please? While we implementing DevOps process, we have to mitigate some rules. What are the rules? First rule is time to market, and second rule is add business value, and third thing is so with an automation. So what is the DevOps, please? I'll repeat, listen very carefully. DevOps is a process which you're going to be implementing on SDLC. While implementing DevOps process, we have to mitigate time to market, add business value, and automation. So what are the time to market in the sense of? I already discussed with you, please. What is the time to market? So we have to deliver the working software, please. The working software as an application. We have to deliver within a shortest time, with the high quality, with low cost, with an automation is nothing but a DevOps. Is nothing but a DevOps, guys, please. I hope you understood very clearly. What is DevOps? Okay, clear. Then, so by using DevOps, please, by using DevOps, what exactly we going to do? What exactly industry wants by DevOps, please? What DevOps aims to the industry? Nothing. So the industries wants exactly, please, frequently delivering our working software as an application into the production. So by using DevOps, please, we can able to deliver very fastly and frequently deliver our application into the production. That is exactly the first advantage. And second advantage is, please, we can able to improve deployment. The number of deployment we can able to increase. For example, before DevOps, maybe monthly once, 2 months once. By using DevOps, weekly also we can able to deploy our application very speed. And moreover, we can able to increase the quality. we can able to improve the quality. So we can able to provide our application with the highest quality, That is advantage of DevOps. And so we can able to reduce the cost. Okay, we can able to spend low cost. So increasing quality, decreasing the cost. Who don't want these features? Definitely, everybody want this in the list. And with lower failure rate, that is what exactly DevOps wants that. And that's what exactly advantage is. Okay, fine. And by using DevOps, what are the problems we can able to resolve? Okay, so leave after deployment and war production wasting, knowledge, and so many wastages we have. And by helping of DevOps, we can able to eliminate. Okay, so first, let us discuss about first problem: leave after deployment. Leave after deployment. For example, I'm a developer. Let us assume I'm a developer. You are an operation team. Let us assume like that. As of for our understanding, I'm a developer. You are an operation team. You are part of operation team. I'm a developer. I'm writing a code for registration page, login page, or any task. I'm writing a code. So after writing a code, it will be verified or testing, and it is moving into the pre-production. After moving into the production, okay, fine. It is perfectly working in my production environment. Then what about my role as a developer? I'm going to be looking for another task, but I never ever look back what happened in my production. The production is responsible by the operation team, but development is responsible by the developer itself. Okay, got this. But developer is always look for another task in dev environment. But what happened production, he never ever look back. But so if it is any problem occur in production environment, who is the first responsible person? Obviously, operation. Operation team has to diagnose the error and redirecting back to the developer. Developer has to fix the issue again, testing, pre-production, then deployment. So I hope you understood this. Developer is always look for dev environment only. It is never ever look back what happened in production environment. Yes, please. So that means a development team and operation team. So it has between these two teams, it has some huge gap is there. Okay, but let us understand that. Let us understand the same thing. Let me explain this. What exactly we do theoretically, but let me explain right now in the diagrammatically. Please understand one more time. I'll clarify with you one more time with the diagrammatic. So we have a please. Yes, please listen very carefully. It's very important. We have a please. Dev team and operation. Two teams we have. Please. Developer is always for writing code. Agreed. So operation team is deploying, release, and monitoring. What I mean? So operation team is in production side. The dev team is developer is belongs to the dev team. Good, very good. Developer is always writing a code. Good, very good. Operation team is always deploying our applications, monitoring operation. What I mean, guys, please, very good. So as a developer, I'm going to be writing some use case like a registration. It is moving into the testing environment, perfectly working. It is moving into the pre-production, perfectly working. Then it is moving into the production. Very good. It's perfectly working. My use case like a registration page, login page, any website. Okay, it is perfectly working. Maybe to from date search this option. Okay, it's working perfectly. So the use case is perfectly working from the last 3 months onwards. Very good. But today it's not working. Today it is not working. Please tell me, in this scenario, who is the first responsible person to diagnose error? Developer or operation team? Please. Anybody help me? Please quickly. Quickly, please. Who is the first responsible person? Operation team or dev team, please, to diagnose error. The login page is not working, some error is there. Definitely operation. Because of the operation team is working in production. Yeah, the operation team is responsible. Operation team is responsible to diagnose the error. Then it is redirecting into the doubt. The doubt team has to fix the issue again, testing, pre-production, and moving into the production. So that means what I'm trying to tell you, please. So doubt team and operation team have to please. Doubt team and operation team have to communicate each other. Doubt team and operation team has to communicate each other to resolve issues, to speed up application, to as soon as possible. But doubt team and operation team between huge gap is there, please. This is a huge gap. Huge gap. So this gap we calling as a one concrete wall for our understanding in classroom purpose. This we calling as a one concrete wall. Okay, it is a wall between doubt team and operation team. It was a concrete wall before DevOps. If they want to communicate each other, please, they have to jump this wall. Yes, please. Very clearly. Okay. So they're wasting time rather than fixing issues as soon as possible. They're wasting time for communication. They're wasting time. So, and moreover, the doubt team is feel individually. The doubt team feels operation team separate from us. Operation team feels a doubt team is separate from us. It is exactly situation before DevOps. It was the situation before DevOps. That definitely, though it will be slowed down or delivering our working software into the production. Definitely, because of this reason. So, what DevOps says, please? What DevOps says, please? What exactly we discuss? The combination of dev environment plus operation, we call it DevOps. That is exactly DevOps. You know what DevOps says? So you are not separate. Dev team, please. An operation team are those are all not separate. So dev team and operation team has to work together. The combination of dev team and the operation we call as DevOps. So after combining these two teams, there is no gap. So rather than wasting time to resolve the issues, they're gonna be focused on resolving issues. They're gonna be delivering as soon as possible. So to this reason, please, so our application will be delivered so very speedily. So we can able to speed up. That means the client will be satisfied. So a client very satisfied. That means we're going to be getting one more project. So very it is user friendly of client and vendor. Yeah, that's good. That's what I got. This I think everybody's understood what exactly I'm going to be discussing. So likewise, war production based, please. So for example, everybody using smartphone. Okay, for example, what is water production based? For example, we have a glass of water in my tank. I'm going to be pouring the water, please, until fill the glass. Still, I'm going to be pour the water. Definitely, water will be wasted or not. The same way, our applications also. Same way, our mobile apps also. Please. Definitely, we are wasting. So really, are you using all the applications in our smartphones? All the functionality in your phones, mobile phones? No. No, it is not. Maybe commonly 10% of wastage is there. So that means what? Developer written code for wastage is also not. So what DevOps does here, please? So if you could able to identify the 10% wastage before releasing a product, the developer didn't write code for that or not, please? Before releasing a product, if we could able to identify the wastages, for the wastage, developer didn't write code. That means developer time equal to company's money or not. So what I'm trying to tell you, by using DevOps, we can able to eliminate wastages before releasing product. The same way likewise, so knowledge wasting and so many wastages we can able to eliminate by helping of DevOps. So by using DevOps, we're gonna be implementing on SDLC. For what, please? To deliver working software as shortest time with the high quality, with low cost, with low failure rate. That is exactly DevOps. Yes. Okay. So before DevOps, please, before DevOps, the development software lifecycle we call as a complex pipeline. Sir, as our convenience, before DevOps, please, before DevOps, our software development lifecycle we call as a complex pipeline. Complex pipeline, please. So after DevOps, we call as a, please, a transparent pipeline. Yes, please. So on SDLC, please, we're gonna be implement. So as a DevOps engineer, please, we're gonna be replaced with a complex pipeline with a transparent pipeline. As a DevOps engineer, please, we're gonna be replaced with a complex pipeline with a transparent pipeline. Okay. So let us understand what is the complex pipeline first. So for example, without DevOps, please. So while we delivering working software, so analysis, design, implementation, testing, deploy, in this cycle, please, definitely we're gonna be facing a problem. To fix the problems and errors, we require experts. Expert in the sense of what, definitely very high cost. Even if we have experts, it will take long time to identify a problem, and to resolve issues also it will take time. That is what exactly complex pipeline. This will look like this, please. Okay, look like this, very complex. But if you are replacing with DevOps, please, everything is transparent, everything is visualized. So before DevOps, this one, please. After DevOps, this one, please. So everything is transparent to the water in the pipes. Yes, please. But after implementing a DevOps, if you are facing any problem, experts are not required, because of, please, everything is visualized. Anyone can able to identify within no time, and we can able to identify the issues and problems very as soon as possible within no time, and we can able to resolve issues very less time out. That is what exactly DevOps. So as a DevOps engineer, what are the roles and responsibilities, please? We're going to be replaced with a complex pipeline with a transparent pipeline. The transparent pipeline look like this, guys, please. Guys, please. A transparent pipeline look like this, please. So in this DevOps transparent pipeline, we have several stages and several phases: planning, coding, integration, testing, release, deploy, and operation. Planning, coding, integration, testing, release, deploy, and operation. In this transparent pipeline, okay, so we are not part of planning. Okay, we are not part of planning. First of all, we are part of dev environment. We are part of integration. We are part of test environment. We are part of release. We are part of deployment. We are part of operation. Yes, please. So as a DevOps engineer, our roles and responsibilities transfer where exactly from dev environment, ends with where exactly, please, operation. But to be frankly, we are not developers, we are not testers. Okay, got this, please? What exactly this? Yeah, let us understand right now. So one by one, what is exactly one by one, phase by phase? Let us discuss one by one what exactly we are involving in these phases, in these stages, in this transparent cycle. Okay, let us start with dev environment. So anyway, so we are not part of planning. This is responsible BA, business analyst. Okay, our roles and responsibilities starts from where exactly? Dev environment. Dev environment, please. Okay, development environment. So in dev environment, developers writing a code by helping of any Java, .NET or Python, any programming language, by using any programming language, are developers writing a code, a software, a lines of programs. They're going to be writing. Very good. That code we call as a source code. Okay. The source code as a DevOps engineer, we're going to be securing into the repositories in a branch wise, in a version wise. I hope you understood very clearly. Repeat, listen very carefully. The developer responsibility is writing a code, but DevOps engineer his responsibility is securing the software in a branch wise, in a version wise, in a repositories. Please, as a DevOps engineer, we're going to be securing and in a repositories entire software in a branch wide, in a version wide. That is exactly dev environment we're going to be involved in that. So how many developers are writing a code? Only one? No. N number of developers are writing a code. All developer source code. So we have to integrate continuously. That is what exactly CI. Continuously we have to integrate all developer source code, and so we have to compile and build the software, and we're going to be executing our test cases like a Selenium test cases, functional test cases, performance test cases automatically. So while executing test cases, please, while executing test cases, if we got any error, any bug, it does automatically redirect back to the developer. Developer has to fix the issue, again integration, again test. This loop will be repeated until 0 errors, 0 bugs. Okay, I think I clarify one more time. We're not writing any code here. So which is already written by the tester, those test cases, we're gonna be integrating in this portion. That's it. That is our job, nothing else is there. Okay, so the testing, after executing all the test cases, we're gonna be giving please the working software, without any error, without any bugs. Okay, so the working software is ready, but can you able to deploy directly production? No, we have to halt. The halt is nothing but release. We're gonna be halt the working software as an application in the release. The halt. Okay, so we're going to be hold some period of time, maybe in 1 week or 1 month, according to the schedule date. Release is nothing but according to schedule date, monthly once or 2 months once or weekly sometime maybe. Though then we're going to be deploying the working software into the production. Either maybe physical servers or a virtual servers or a cloud servers, either AWS servers. Please, we're going to be deploying the working software into the production servers. Then we're going to be accessing our application like this. Okay. Then that's it. After deploying an application, job is done? No. So we have to monitor and maintenance. Guys, please, we have to monitor and maintenance. This is nothing but a operation. So I hope you understood very clearly. As a DevOps engineer, our roles and responsibilities starts from dev environment, ends with operation. What are the roles, please? We're gonna be take our entire dev environment source code, and we're gonna be process it until deployment and operation with an automated way. It is exactly DevOps. So while we implementing this DevOps process, we have to mitigate 3 rules. One is time to market, add business value, and automation. That's it. So these are all the rules and regulation while implementing a DevOps process. So that is what exactly, please. I hope you understood very clearly what is DevOps. But so for implementing this DevOps process, what are the tools we're going to be learning? That is a major thing. So we're gonna be spend around maybe 2 months to 3 months, 2 months to 3 months, please, for learning tools for implementing this DevOps process. Okay. So what are the tools we're going to be learning for implementing this? So shall we discuss about that, please? Once again, let me open another tab for discussing what are the tools involved to implement this DevOps process. Okay. For implementing this DevOps process, please. So we're going to be learning, please, Git. We're going to be learning for Git. Git is for what exactly? Maintaining a source code in a version 1. And Maven, the entire source code we have to compile and build. The Maven is a build tool. Okay. Then we're going to be learning Jenkins. Jenkins is an automation tool. Okay. So automatically we can able to clone, compile, build, and we can able to execute the test cases. We're going to be implement an automated process by helping of Jenkins. It's an automation process. So it is involved from build, test, and deploy, and several stages. We can able to do the continuous integration, continuous delivery by using Jenkins. And finally, we're going to be learning JFrog. JFrog is nothing but a repository for release, please. For releasing a product, we're going to be haul our working software into this JFrog, into this artifact. And finally, please, SonarQube. We're going to be learning SonarQube. By helping of SonarQube, please, we're going to be analyze entire source code. Okay. Entire source code. Okay. Yeah. Shall be fine. We're fine. So as a SonarQube, we can able to please analyze our source code. So after analyzing, please, why we analyzing source code, please? So whether the developers are writing code by following standards or not, whether while writing a source code, whether the developers are using right functions or not, we can able to analyze. To be frankly, guys, please, we are not developers, please. Okay. Just we're gonna be integrating a SonarQube. If you got any problem, developer is responsible to diagnose the problem and resolve the issue. Please, we are the admin of the SonarQube. That's it. Okay, we're gonna be configuring SonarQube in our process. Okay, please. Then what about next step, please? Deployment. So for example, if it is one server, doesn't matter. If it is only one server, doesn't matter. But if you have 100 of servers, if it is thousands of servers, what we will do, please? How can we deploy our application at a time? By helping of configuration management. So in production environment, in dev environment, if we have more than 100 servers, so how we can able to deploy, how we can able to create a files, delete a files, installing a software, so creating a users, uninstalling a software. I want to do this kind of activities at a time, automatically, automatically on top of all my production servers. Good. By helping out exactly a configuration management. So what exactly does configuration management? By helping of configuration management, we can able to replace with a manual configuration process, replace with an automation process. This exactly we can able to achieve by helping of Ansible. Ansible is a configuration management tool. By helping of Ansible, so we can able to deploy our application at a time on hundreds of servers. At a time on hundreds of servers, guys. But the hundreds of servers from where we can able to get either physically or virtually and cloud. So we're going to be getting a cloud servers, hundreds of cloud AWS cloud servers we can able to get on top of our 100 servers. Please, we're going to be deploying our application automatically by helping of Ansible. Yes, please. That's what we're going to be learning AWS also completely. So not an introductory way. So we're going to be discussing completely AWS. Okay, please. Okay, fine. So how can able to get a servers, please? Physically, virtually, and the cloud. And moreover, we can able to get and we can able to deploy application on Docker containers also. We can able to deploy applications on Docker containers also. Easily we can able to deploy application. Easily we can able to remove. It is a user friendly for applications only. It's used for only for application, not for any other purpose. Docker is for what exactly? For please deploying our applications only. So for example, what is the definition of Docker, please? So Docker container is an isolated area, which is specifically deploying our applications only, please. Docker is an isolated area, which is specifically deploying our applications only. Okay. Sir, what is the difference between AWS servers and Docker container? So for example, let us assume for our understanding, I am giving a mobile phone to you, please, without any voice, without any Android voice. How are we going to use, please? First, you have to install operating system, then you can able to use your mobile. That is exactly like AWS servers. So if we get AWS server, that means so bare servers we can able to get, but we have to install the software, we have to deploy applications. That is exactly AWS. Okay. But Docker container is nothing but what exactly? Everything is ready-made. No need to install. Everything is ready-made, like a Google Play Store. So which app you want to install? Yeah, Axis Bank app or Google Pay, Phone Pay, everything easily we can able to install, easily we can able to remove. Very easy to that. The same with Docker also. Everything is inbuilt, which exactly want directly you can able to do that, please. Yes, please. That is the difference between. So as of now, please, I'm clarifying with you in classes. Don't worry. We'll discuss Docker. These are all things in a couple of weeks. Okay, don't worry. That by using Docker, please, we can able to deploy our application. Blindly remember that. But so what about Kubernetes? So by using Docker, we can able to sorry, by using Docker, we can able to deploy our application. Very good. But those Docker containers, please, we can able to manage or control or orchestration by the Kubernetes. The Docker containers we can able to manage or control by Kubernetes. That's it. So Vagrant is a provisioning tool, please guys, please. It is using for dev environment. By helping of Vagrant, we can able to create a virtual machines in dev environment. That's it. A virtual machines in dev environment. Virtual machines in dev environment. And we're going to be learning Negios and ELK. For exactly what exactly, please? For monitoring. For monitoring HP. So by helping of Negios, please. So by helping of please Negios, we can able to basic monitoring like please. So whether a server is down or not, CPU utilization, RAM, users load, current load, HTTP, SSH connections. So these are all basic monitoring we can able to that Negios. But ELK is nothing but what exactly? Each and every application, each and every action, each and every click. So internally it is generating a logs. Those logs we can able to monitor. That's what we're calling as a application monitoring or log monitoring, we call this piece. So that's what we're going to be learning. Lstick, Logstack, Schema. These three tools we calling as a ELK. Yes, please. I hope you understood very clearly. So by helping of these are all the tools, we're going to be implement this DevOps process. Okay. So today, so we understood, please, what is DevOps. Okay. And tomorrow we will discuss about what is AWS. In this course, please, in this course. So we're gonna be discussing DevOps around maybe 2 months. AWS, please. 1 month, please. So it is a please. First, we're going to be discussing about please DevOps with AWS. Okay, this is what exactly first. And please, the second one is please AWS, please. One second. Okay, totally please around maybe 3 months, please. So for learning these two courses, DevOps with AWS and AWS, so it required a basic Linux plus shell. It will cover all. Okay, please. And so the class timing, please. Timing is please. So please. What is the free of class? 6 a.m. to please. 6 a.m. to please. 7 a.m. and Monday to Saturday. So this is what exactly. Okay. So today we discuss only DevOps. Okay. Tomorrow at the same timing. So tomorrow we will meet at the same timing. Tomorrow we will discuss please what is AWS. Okay. Tomorrow we will discuss what is AWS. That is tomorrow's class. Okay. Fine. So any question, technical questions, please. Any questions, please. So recordings will be provided, guys, please. I'm informing all of you, please. Each and every class. So the recordings will be provided after the class within 12 hours. The recording will be delivered to you, please. So Kapil Chaudhary, sir, it is yeah. Materials will be provided, not running notes, please. Documents, yeah. It will be provided, but not all of it. Maybe 80% we have a document, please. I will provide. Doesn't matter. It will Kapil, you can able to listen one more time. It will completely within 1 month, you know. Can revision of this, Kapil. The combination of both. We can't separate this course, please. Okay. Are you going to teach Jenkins pipeline introductory way? Yeah, I'm going to be teach you, but introductory way, please. No hard copies, please. No hard copy, Mona, please. That's what. Please ask me here only technical questions. Please, an admin question, please contact our Durga software, please. Please ask me a technical question, please. Recordings will be provided. Yeah, so free of any please. Somebody is asking a question about. What is the fee of this course? Yeah, Kapil, please talk to our admin, please. Please talk to our admin, please. Okay, fine, very good. Any question, guys, please? If anybody want to talk to me, please ping me in the chat box. I can able to enable, please, one by one. Yeah, everything is a practically. So it is not a theoretical classes. Each and every class, first 15 minutes theoretical. I'll explain every theoretical concept first. Silent, please. Then, so I'm going to be showing you practically. Each and every class in a practical way. I'm going to be showing you. You have to implement your own way, please. After delivering the class, the same day itself we have to implement. It is a practical oriented. DevOps is nothing but a practical oriented classes only. So no theoretical, please. But thing here is the challenging here is what exactly I'm delivering in the 1 hour session. One of the 1 hour session. It will take to complete. It will take to implement around maybe 2 to 4 hours. It will take 2 hours to 4 hours, sometime maybe 8 hours. But end of the day, you have to implement the same day itself. That is your promise yourself. You have to make promise yourself before joining this course. Then only you can able to utilize. Then only it will help you for your career. Yeah, fine. Anybody wants to talk to me, please ping me. Please, I want to talk to you, sir. Please, then I can able to enable. You can able to talk to each other. If you talk to each other all together, there is no use. That's what. Any question, please chat with me. If anybody wants to talk to me, please ask me in the chat box. Enable, unmute that, please unmute. Then we can able to talk each one to one, please. Okay, fine. So if there is no question, please we will meet tomorrow. What is AWS for tomorrow? We will discuss the same like this, please. What is AWS and what is the difference between, please, DevOps and AWS tomorrow class. Tomorrow we will discuss what is AWS and what is the difference between DevOps and AWS. That is tomorrow's session, please. So thank you guys. Please, if you have any question, please ask me, or else we will wind up this session and we will meet tomorrow. Yeah, Jenkins pipeline, yes. Will it cover introductory way? Ahmad, please. Not full scenario, but how we going to be using, I'll show you, please. Definitely. Okay. So one more thing, guys, please wait. Please wait. Something. Please wait. 1 second. Nah? So if any questions related, what are the topic we cover, please go through this link, please. All of you, please. Have you received this link, please? All of you, please. Have you received this link? Go through this content, please. What exactly we're delivering in this course, each and everything we can. 1 second. Please use this link. I think everybody received it, okay? So please follow this document. So what are the syllabus? What are the content we're covering in the syllabus? Okay, go through this page. So what are the covering in AWS? What are we covering in DevOps? Everything we written here, please. Go through once, please. Okay. Go through once this content. Okay. Okay, guys, please. We will meet tomorrow at the same timing. Thank you. Thank you, all of you. Thank you, guys, please. Now tell me, Kapil, please. Thank you. Thank you, Manish. Same Kapil. No different. Maybe 15 minutes delay, I think. If it is a winter, maybe I'll postpone maybe 15 minutes. Maybe 15 to 20 minutes. That's it. With the winter reason, that's it. But as of now, 6. Time is 6. It may vary, maybe due to the winter, maybe 15 to 20 minutes delay. That's it. But as of now, 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. Okay, please. We will meet tomorrow at 6. Tomorrow, please. We will meet at exactly 6. All of you, please. Thank you. Thank you all.